Regional East African forces from Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan, and Burundi are here to enforce an agreement aimed at bringing peace to the region. Hundreds of people have been killed and up to 1 million forced out of their homes since the conflict started over a year ago. Some Congolese living in Kibumba say they are afraid to go back home despite M23 fighters pulling out. The group has ceded strategic towns and roads, but fighting is still going on in some parts. Rwanda has been accused by the UN, the EU, and others of supporting the rebels. Kigali denies this. According to an agreement signed by regional leaders, M23 is to move to Sabinyo in Virunga Mountains near the Rwanda border, but the rebels have not gone there yet.
The destination that they are going, it is in line with what is agreed upon. But whether they are getting there until I get to that position to go and validate, then I can be able to tell you authoritatively that for sure they have reported there.
The regional forces were deployed a few months ago. They say they are here to facilitate a political process between Kinshasa and M23. But some analysts say the negotiations are moving too slowly.
And while everyone talks about a political track and a military track, there is no clear understanding on what should come first and how that should evolve.
M23 leaders say they want direct talks with the government. Kinshasa insists it cannot negotiate until all areas controlled by the rebel fighters are vacated.
Muraho neza, turabakunda, nkeka ko namwe mudukunda. Ni Intore Alex, ibi ni Birori TV. Nkuko bisanzwe tubageza amakuru atandukanye. Politike, diplomasi, ubukungu n'izindi nzego zitandukanye. Mukabyumva mwabikunda mukadukandira subscribe. N'ubu mushatse mwadukandira subscribe. Uri mu majyepfo, mu majyaruguru, iburasirazuba, mu burengerazuba bw'u Rwanda no mu mujyi wa Kigali ntitwabibagirwa. Nabibabwiye ni Birori TV. Twongeye kwisubirira hakujya mu gihugu cy'abaturanyi b'u Rwanda, RDC cyangwa Republic Democratic of Congo. Amahoro akomeje kuba make. M23 mu isura y'imbaraga nyinshi z'umurengera yifiteho muri minsi. Mu isura nshya nanone Congo na Felix Tshisekedi n'abarwanya M23 n'imbaraga nyinshi. Bashaka ubufasha hirya no hino. Baherutse gusinyanya na MONUSCO amasezerano y'ubufatanye. Sadek sinakubwira. Ibihugu bimwe na bimwe bigenda bibafasha mu ibanga. Ariko M23 nta gucika intege, iracyakomeje guhangana. Masisi M23 yaba yafashe agace ka Karenga nyuma y'imirwano yaharamukiye. Bimeze bite? Bihagaze bite? Tega amatwi kwibwirire. Guhera saa 11 z'igitondo kuri iki cyumweru haravugwa imigwano hagati ya M23 na FARDC ahitwa Karenga muri teritwari ya Masisi, hafi y'ahitwa Kausa muri Kivu y'Amajyaruguru. Amakuru aturuka muri ibyo bice agera ku mbuga z'amakuru zegereye leta ya Congo, avuga ko iyi mirwano ihuje igisirikare cya Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Congo kuri iki cyumweru tariki ya 19 Ugushyingo 2023 iri kubera mu gace ka Karenga gaherereye mu birometero 20 uvuye mu mujyi wa Sake. Ku ruhande rwa M23, umuvugizi w'ishami rya gisirikare FDLRS Major Wiringoma abinyujije ku rukuta rwe rwahoze ari Twitter ubu ni X yanditse agira ati ko uruhande rwa guverinoma rurimo gutera amabombe ku birindiro byabo kandi rukaba rurimo guterera icyarimwe. Imirongo yabo ugana Kirorirwe Karengera Rukore yongeraho ko intare zasarambwe zirwanaho kandi zikomeza kurinda abaturage babo. Amakuru rero kuri ubu agera kuri bwiza.com aremezwa ko neza aravuga ko aka gace ka Karenga ubu kamaze kujya mu maboko ya M23 ndetse bikaba bigiye guha impunzi zahungiye muri Bwiza ahantu ho guhumekera.